Hello everyone, welcome to Notepad++ tips. In this we're going to see two tips. One is to delete blank line and another one is to add some text or anything at the end of the line. We already come across one video where box selection we used. That is an alternate option we can use along with this. Do watch until end of this video and drop your comments and tips, option, opinion, anything on our comment section below. Yes, as usual, let's start doing it practical. I taken a Notepad++. First tips is to delete the blank lines in this particular file, right? You can see it is not uniform, somewhere one line, somewhere two lines, somewhere three lines. In that, we have to remove these empty lines. There is an option that you can copy all those stuff and paste it in Excel, do filtering with blank and remove, again copy and paste it back in a Notepad or Notepad++. That can help you. That is one option. Where easily there is an option provided by Notepad++ itself to do the same. But for that, you have to enable a plugin, which is by default in your system, but when you are installing it, it will not be automatically updated. How to do it? Okay, that's the case. There is an option called plugins in your menu. You can see that. Go to plugin. There you can see plugin administrator or plugin admin, plugin manager. Click on that, right? Whatever the plugins installed, you can see here in the tab called installed. Updates, any new updated version for Notepad++ is available. You can see here. And available. These are all the available plugins for your system where this Notepad++ version is up to. But actually these all will not be installed until we need it. Now we want the plugin called TextFX. It's not case sensitive, so you can type it or even you can scroll down like this and give next. You are here selecting it and click on option called install. It will ask you like it will close and open this Notepad++ again. Is it okay for you? Click OK. And before that, you can see this file menu option. There is no option called TextFX. Okay. Giving S here, it's showing like it's downloading. It will like just close and open our Notepad++ again. Let's see. It will not take much time. It will be a few seconds to a minute max. It's done. Yes, it's open now. You can see option called TextFX in your menu, right? So before doing that, just select all, go to TextFX, edit, and delete blank lines. This is the option to delete all the blank lines in the system. So you can see these are not deleted as I have given some spaces when it is filled, right? For example, if now I am selecting it, going to TextFX, edit, and delete blank lines. You can see these blank lines are getting deleted. This is tip 1. Let's do tip 2. Tip 2 is add text at end of the line. Yes, it is just as a shortcut Control H, same as that of replace. For example, I'm doing something on this document where I have to give comma at end of all the lines. If it is a HTML file, I have to give break br or I have to type end. So this will be very much helpful. In this case, let me try to give you comma at end of all the lines. As I said, shortcut is Control H. It is final replace. Here you have to see one thing. You should see this regular option. This should be enabled, right? I'm enabled it already. And replace is comma or end. That depends on us, like what we want to be present there. So how it find the end? You can give $sign means end of the line. Click on replace all. Here you can see like your all lines end with is having a bracket include end. So I'm just undoing it, right? Find, and if I want to give comma, just give comma, replace all. You can see all commas here. There is one option, as I said, it is rectangular selection or boss selection, which is Alt, press the Alt and select, which is already covered in another video. I will give you a link at right top corner of this video. You can go through it. I hope you like this video. Please drop your options and your comments in comment section below. Please don't forget to like if you like this video. Please do subscribe and press notification button so that you will not miss any further videos. Thank you so much.